because I was fascinated by the work I was doing.
What's in the ball?
That was the sustainable technology.
What's in the ball, baby? Get it.
I know you're thinking, boring chemistry alert, right? Wrong! One day, I had a breakthrough. I created a microemulsion suspension that harnessed the natural...
What's going on, baby? What's in there? Is that a hamster? You get a hamster. Smells so good. Get it. Oh, you get it. Oh, get that hamster. Get the hamster.
In one word.
Very thorough. Thanks for coming in. Down the road.
I have full FDA approval, and I have enough financial backing.
She's licking her lips, yummy. Get that hamster. Go get it.
Products are toxic and harmful.
Get the hamster. Eat it up. Eat it. Get it, baby. Yeah, barking will get it. Come here, baby. Baby. Okay, enough. You're going to scare it. You're going to scare it. You're going to scare it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, no, she still wants it. She's not going to let go. Oh, get it. Okay, we got to stop her. She's going to scare the hamster.